Welcome to Anything Goes with JLo. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of a grand event in Taipei, Nuit Blanche, Taipei's premier annual nighttime urban art festival. Each year, the nighttime festival blends contemporary art, diverse perspectives, and community concerns, creating a unique cultural experience. One of the highlights is the global art project by renowned French artist JR, which adds an international flair to the festival. I'm about to have my photo taken. I'm very excited, and let's go.
来 ，OK， 3、2、1，好，谢谢，我们东西记得哦。
This is a small recording studio asking people what their definition of freedom is, and I'm about to give mine. Consequences of what you're doing. Can you tell us what is the Inside Out project?
The Inside Out project is a global art project that was started by French artist JR in 2011. We're a global art platform that allows communities from all over the world to create their own public art installations using the faces of their community to raise awareness about a message or a cause. Since the beginning of the project, we've been to 152 countries and territories all over the world, and over 500,000 people have participated in the project by creating their own installations.
Can you tell me what is the connection between photos and freedom?
As a global art project, participants can use this action to express themselves and share what freedom means to them. So being able to install portraits of community members in public spaces also allows the community to be invited and feeling open to expressing what freedom means to them.
What is the message you want to bring to the whole world?
Yeah, anybody can participate in the Inside Out project, and we invite you to come to our booth next time that we're in your city.
I heard our special guest is inside this room right now. It's Mayor Kat. Let's go check it out. Hi, hello, Mayor. Hi, Mayor Kat, Mao Rongrong. Good night. I'm Jenny. And Mayor, thank you for having me. What does your job entail? Okay. Wow, that seems to be a lot. You're very busy. But I heard you're having a party tonight. Care if I tag along? Okay. Okay, Mayor. Time for party? Okay. DJ show is happening right now in the Taipei City Atrium tonight, featuring Taiwanese DJ Robin and other talents. They're recreating the vibe of a vintage ballroom. The night comes alive with a myriad of art performances scattered throughout Taipei City, transforming it into a vibrant canvas and making this an unforgettable night. To follow and subscribe to TaiwanPlus to see more fun things to do in Taiwan.